Hey guys, welcome back to the Weekly Wellness Pulse. Today I wanted to tell you guys how we use our oils to make what we call bombs, basically just filling empty vegetable capsules with some of our oils and a carrier oil to benefit different systems of our body. All of these are going to use the oils in our Vitality line, which are our white labels and are FDA approved, safe for ingesting. So let's jump right in and keep this short. The first balm that I make and usually make the most often is our immunity balm. These oils are all great for loving on your immune system and are fantastic to take year round to keep you healthy, but especially during fall and winter and heading into spring, depending on what might be going around. So you can do a few drops of thieves, lemon, and frankincense. Thieves is fantastic for your immune system. Lemon promotes natural detoxing, and frankincense acts as a tonic for your entire body. And then you just add a few drops of carrier oil to that, or you can top off the capsule. That's up to you, depending on how much will fit and how much you want. And you can also play around with the number of drops of any of these recipes. These are just kind of like a starting point for you, but you can put that one together to support your immune system. Then we have the Limp Lovin Balm. So Limp is a clear liquid in your body which helps with the detoxing process in your body. It also is closely tied to your circulatory and immune system. So this one's another great one. I will put this together if I feel like my lymph nodes are swollen, or sometimes just to give me a little boost if I feel I need it. But this one is Citrus Fresh Vitality and Lemon Vitality, and you can see that there on your screen. But any citrus oil is fantastic for your lymph system. The next one is the Pollen Bomb. I use this anytime a season changes, really, but especially if my allergies are getting to me, this is my go-to. So it's lemon, peppermint, and lavender. All three of those come in our starter kit, which is fantastic because you are ready right off the bat to start combating that. And again, play with these levels of the oils and whatever. These are just that basic starting point. And then the last one is what I call the Extinguisher Balm. My sister has used this for the last couple of years to help with her acid reflux because she gets that pretty badly. And this has really helped her to tame that. She'll take it right after she eats. So it's lemon vitality, peppermint vitality, and grapefruit vitality. And again, lemon and lavender come in your kit, and then you can just add grapefruit to that order and you are set to go. Or we can set up a custom kit for you to get you started and get those in your hands quickly. So there's lots of different ways to use this. There are lots of other recipes for oil bombs that are out there as well. These are four that I have used or my family has used and seen benefits from. I hope that was helpful, and we'll see you guys next week.